What's up guys, JG the Pharaoh aka Jack Gallup Gaming here, and welcome to my new channel. I don't know a lot about crypto, but I want to walk you through how to buy some SHIBA INU coins because I see a lot of people, including myself, was having some trouble getting them. Everything you need will be linked in the description down below. I'm going to be moving slow for the new people so they can follow along, but if you know what you're doing, feel free to skip ahead using the timestamps. Feel free to like the team, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. Once you're on KuCoin.com and you're logged in, make sure that you go to your security settings and set all of that stuff up. You're going to want to need it before you try to do this. So after you got all that set up, you're going to come here and you're going to click on or search USDT, and you're going to type the amount that you want. The minimum amount is $30 USD. So I'll just go ahead and put 50 for example. 50 is the minimum amount of the simplex. Simplex is the best one, but at the time of me recording this segment of the video, it's not on here for some reason, so I'm not sure. Maybe it'll be there for you, maybe it won't. But there are two other options. You can go to Mobilum or Banza. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. So you're going to want to read this and click confirm after you choose whichever one you want. For the purpose of this video, I'm just click confirm on Mobilum. It's going to bring you to this section of the video, and you just read through and you do what you want to do. But for this purpose, I'm not going to be buying anything since I already bought it. So let's go ahead and skip to the next segment of the video. Alright, this is your assets overview page. After you receive coins, it will show here under the main account. By the way, it could take up to a couple hours to receive your token depending on which payment you chose and the verification process. It took an hour for mine to come in after verification, but I was doing the verification while I was trying to buy it as well. So as you can see on here, I have 63 cents and some Bitcoin. I mean, not in Bitcoin, in USDT. So once you have that, you're going to go ahead to withdraw, and you're going to go ahead and try to search USDT from the drop down menu, or you could just click that right there. So I'm going to go ahead and search it and click it. So after you get to this part is really important, so make sure that you pay attention. You're going to want to click on TRC20. Once again, please make sure that you click on TRC20 and not ERC20. As you can see, the TRC20 has a fee of $1 and the other one has a way higher fee. So after that, you're going to go to gateio.com and you're going to go to your deposit section. You're going to go to click TRC20 under the USD part, and you're going to want to copy your address. Please make sure you copy the address or use the barcode scanner. You can also download the app for Gate.io and KuCoin, but I think KuCoin on here is a whole lot better. So once you have the address, you're going to want to place it in the wallet section, address section right here. So make sure that you have the right address once again, please. That is very important, and make sure that you're pasting it under TRC20. Like I said, the fee is only $1, but the other one is way higher. So after that, you're gonna you can see USDT amount. That's where you put your amount at. So let me go ahead and place the my wallet address. I'm gonna be covering up this part, so don't worry. And then after that, you're gonna go ahead and place the amount that you want to put in the USDT. So for my case, it's a max of 34.256100. And then after that, once you have everything and you triple check, quadruple check, you're going to go ahead and hit confirm. After you hit confirm, it's going to bring you to this screen. This is the first screen of two screens. The first screen is a tampering proof confirmation. It'll show you how much you want to withdraw. It'll show you the address, and it'll give you that as well. So after you get to that part, you're going to get to the security verification screen. In the security verification screen, you're going to make sure that you want to put in your trading password and your SMS verification code. You get your SMS verification code whenever you put it into your security details. That's why I said you're going to definitely need it. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my little information real quick. And I hit submit. After you hit submit, you're gonna see that all the USDT was taken out. Now at this part, I was kind of freaking out because I didn't know what I was doing. This was my first time doing it, and you can see that I have 0000. It doesn't show anything in any of this section right here. I didn't know how to get to my transaction details, but I'll be showing you in the next little part of this video, so stay tuned for that so you can see how to get there. Oh, and by the way, everybody, if you want to see your deposit and withdrawal history on KuCoin, all you have to do is go to the deposit and withdrawal history section at the top. Click on that, click on either deposit or withdrawal, and it'll bring you to this little part right here. In just a second, you'll just see me click on withdrawal, and you'll see that my withdrawal had went through. The status is completed, and you can view the transaction, but I'm not going to show you guys. Alright, it looks like it says that it's done now, so we're going to go ahead and check and see what's going on with it. Hopefully it's been deposited in there. Alright, so we have a balance of 34.26, so it took off like a couple cents or something like that. So that was an easy process from switching it over from KuCoin, if I do say so myself. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over here to market. We're going to go to SHIBA. They also have Akita as well if you're looking to buy some Akita. I will be trying to get into Akita as well. They also have SafeMoon on here, which is up 3.21%. How much is Kita up? I didn't even see 36% today. Yesterday it was like up 100% or something like that, which is pretty good, not even gonna lie. But I want to get me some of that SHIBA today, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and click on SHIBA. Alrighty, and we're gonna go over here. So if you're trying to buy, you have your currency here. If you have USDT, I have $34 here, and it says that I can get 1 million. Let me make sure that's 1 million. Yeah, 1.1 million SHIBA. So I can either get 1.1 million SHIBA, or I could split it between the Akita as well. If I wanted to get some of the Akita, I would be able to get 1.9 million. Looks like there's a pretty good dip. They had a dip and it's trying to rise back up. So, I mean, this would be a good investment as well for me if I decide to put in there. But I think I want to go ahead and try to get me some of that Akita just to be on that. I mean, that SHIBA. We here to buy some SHIBA today. So, if I was to put half, how much would I want? Yeah, by the way, if you want to do like in increments of your full amount, you can do it by 25. So let's just say if I want to use 25% of my money, which is $8.50, I would be getting 282,000 coins. If I wanted to use 50%, that would be 565,000. But for today, I'm just going to be using my full amount, which is 34.25, so I can get my 1.1 million coins. So we're going to go ahead and hit buy. And it's asking us to confirm the order at 0.302. Let me just see if it's going down. What is that right now? Alright, yeah, it did just go down a little bit more. So let's go ahead and hit confirm order. Funds password. Just give me 1 second, guys. Alright, now we got an order place at a price of 3.02. So as you can see, we have $0 in the balance. So we should be able to go to our, how do we get to it? To my wallet probably. Alright, and I'm back, guys. So I found it. You gotta go to spot account. I went to the overview and I had clicked on spot account and it brought me to this. So I guess this is how you see it. So as you can see, I have a total of 1.129 million coins, estimated at 34.31. I could deposit, withdraw, or trade. I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and withdraw it to my trust wallet. So just give me a second. Alright, so it seems like the fee is 6.3 million, so I'm not even much gonna bother with trying to sell anything, but I still got my 1.1, so I just wanted to give y'all an update. Alright, peace out.
better days when I